is the size of her spawns. Ideally, they're a thumbprint size, and hers are. In a Bengal, we're looking for horizontal growth. In an Aussie, we want to see a resin. There's nothing wild in these cats. They're a domestic cat breed. So we're going to see the remnants of what we would get in terms of the classic tabby. Right. Lovely rich undercoat. Contrasts very well with her pattern. Gentle curve in that profile. Slight beastie on the nose. I get the eyeballs out. I know. It's a serial cat. Get the eyeballs out. Lovely curve chin. Really nice spotting on this girl. Really lovely nature on this girl.